Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video we will be continuing our discussion with respect to the SSC HSL paper 2015. So what we'll be doing basically, we'll try and understand the ideal approach to solving this kind of question, and what we'll be doing is basically discussing the VA section of the paper. So we take a few questions that we've already seen in the previous year's paper, that have already been asked in the previous year's paper, and then we'll take a look at the ideal approach towards solving them, so that whenever we come across this kind of question further down the line, we are easily able to solve them as well. Okay, so having said that, let's focus on the question in front of us and let's take a look at them. So choose the alternatives. Four alternatives are given for the idioms of phrase underlined. Choose the alternative which best expresses the meaning of the idiom of phrase. Okay, let's start off with number 87. To take after. To take after is basically, what it means is to resemble something. Okay, so we have often heard a statement that she takes after her mother. Okay, it means she resembles her mother. Okay, so resembles will be the right answer to this. Okay, to remove, to write down, to cheat are totally nonsensical in this sense. So take after, it means to resemble. Okay, now let's move to 88. She paid a flying visit to Mumbai to see her ailing father. Okay, now flying visit. Flying visit is generally a term that is used in a very negative, or a very, what can we say, in a wrong sense of way. Okay, so an example of the same flying visit would be, it simply means a very short, or for a very short amount of time, a very short visit. Surprise visit is wrong because surprise is not flying visit. Just to iterate you how we can connect this, flying is generally associated with an aircraft, or basically high speed. So basically it basically denotes something which involves very less amount of time. So a very short visit will be right. We went by an airplane, again it seemed a correct choice, but again it is out of context in this case. So a very short visit will be the right answer. Okay, have a finger. Let's move to number 9. Number 9 basically means that have a finger in every pie. So let me give you an example. Sam is a control freak and has his finger in every pie. Okay, so what we mean by this, okay, so what we mean is actually, uh, Ram is very control freak and he basically is getting involved with unnecessary things, or basically he is interfering with so many things for him to keep account on. Okay, basically meddling with some other things that he should be concerned with. So that is what's called having a finger in every pie. That is, Sam is basically nothing but meddlesome, or is meddling with affairs that he has no need to be interfering with. So to be greedy is wrong, quarrelsome is wrong, inefficient is wrong, to be meddlesome will be the right answer. Okay, so now let's move to, I hope this particular point is clear to you as well. Now having said that, we'll move to question number 90. So it says the jury is out. Okay, so the jury is out. What it means? So let me give you an example of the same. The jury is still out whether self-regulation by doctor is adequate. Okay, so what do we actually understand by this? Basically, we haven't reached a consensus, or basically no decision has been taken whether self-regulation by doctor is sufficient or whether more protocols are needed for the same. So jury is out basically means no fair decision has been reached. Okay, so jury has decided to stay out of the proceeding. Wrong, no decision has been reached. Yes, again wrong, member is absent. Okay, so option 2 will be the correct answer. So I hope all the points that we have discussed, all the questions that we discussed are clear. We have given a few examples as well, just to reiterate how this particular idioms are being used. Okay. So in case you are having difficulty, go through the explanation we have given in this video multiple times, just to get a clear understanding on the process of solving this kind of questions. Okay. So with that said and done, in case you are looking to get yourself the fully solved paper of the same, including the VARC section, the QA section or the LRDX section, feel free to look us up. So for that, what you can do is basically visit the description section of the video, wherein you will find a bunch of details pertaining to contacting with us. You can actually visit our website by the website link given in the description. You can email us on our email ID which is mentioned as well, or you can call, text or WhatsApp us on the numbers that are also being mentioned in the description. Feel free to connect with us in case you need a fully solved paper of this sort. Fully detailed solved solutions of the same, and also in case you want any kind of help and guidance with reference to your exam preparation, or you need any kind of help with respect to any kind of question, feel free to connect with us on that as well. Okay, so with that said and done, also if you just need a guidance with respect to preparation, we will be more than happy to help you with that. So in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. And with all that said and done, I'm signing out. Thank you so much.